You're not unattractive, you just don't know how to improve your face. But here's the thing, if you look at any male model or even any guy you think looks great, I guarantee you, they look just like you in their old photos too. They've just learned the right habits that completely transformed their faces. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get that demonic yet attractive face in 7 simple steps. And the best part? You'll start seeing results in just 2 to 3 months. Let's get started. Step 1. Lose body fat. This is the first and most important step. Here's why. Fat on your face and body can make your face look round and puffy, no matter what face shape you have or how many skincare products you use. When you lose fat, your face looks clearer, your jawline shows up, and your whole body looks cleaner. You don't need to look like a bodybuilder, but just getting your body fat percentage down from about 20% to 10 to 12% will make a huge difference in how you look and feel. You'll feel more confident, too. Here's what you do. Start by creating a calorie deficit. This means eating a bit less than what you burn daily. Focus on weight training to build muscle and cardio to burn fat. The good news? You can transform in just 4 to 5 months. It doesn't take forever. Also, cut out junk food and processed foods. You can eat them once in a while, but cut out sugar completely. Sugar is the real enemy. It wrecks your skin and makes you gain weight quickly. When you start training and cutting fat, your face, your style, your whole vibe, it'll all improve. Step 2. Take care of your oral hygiene. You can look good, but if your teeth are yellow or your breath stinks, it'll kill the whole look. Start taking your oral hygiene seriously. Use an electric toothbrush, it cleans way better than a regular brush. Then, use whitening strips a few times a week. They'll make your teeth look bright and fresh. A white smile makes you instantly more attractive and approachable, and it shows that you take care of yourself. People always notice that. Step 3. Keep your skincare routine simple. You don't need 10 products, just 3 things: a cleanser, a moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Don't overdo it, though, or you'll dry out your skin. After washing, apply moisturizer to keep your skin smooth and healthy. And never skip sunscreen, even if you're staying indoors. The sun's rays still reach your skin and cause damage over time. Clean skin doesn't mean perfect skin, it just means you feel fresh and you're taking care of yourself. Step 4. Dress well. Your clothes can completely change how you look, and even if you have a few pimples, you can still look great if you dress well. Start with your hair, get a clean, sharp haircut. Don't let it grow wild, just keep it neat and trim. And don't forget to take care of your facial hair, if you have any, by trimming or shaping it properly. The most important thing here is finding the right haircut for your face shape. Hair is literally the makeup for men. It can completely change your look. Just look at any transformation, you'll see the difference a good hairstyle makes. Step 5. Fix your sleep position. This one's simple. Stop sleeping face down. When you sleep like that, fluid builds up in your face, which is why your face can look puffy in the morning. Instead, try sleeping on your back with your head slightly elevated. You'll notice that your face looks tighter and more defined in the morning. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference over time. Step 6. Practice your facial expressions. You can have a huge impact just by learning to control your face. Stand in front of a mirror for 5 to 10 minutes every day, and practice different expressions: your smile, your confident look, your neutral face. If you want to look better in photos, learn what angles work best for you. And remember, a warm smile makes you look friendly and confident. You don't need to force it, just relax and smile naturally. A good facial expression can instantly make you seem more approachable and confident. Step 7. Fix your posture. Your posture affects how your face and body look. If your head is down and your shoulders are slouched, your jawline disappears. Keep your back straight, shoulders back, and chin up. This makes your jawline more prominent and gives you that confident, strong look. Take a photo standing normally, then take another with perfect posture. You'll see the difference. Also, try positioning your tongue at the roof of your mouth when you can. Strengthening your jawline over time can help too. You don't need to do anything fancy to look better, just follow these 7 simple steps. Take care of yourself, fix your hair, take care of your skin, dress well, sleep properly, practice good facial expressions, and maintain good posture. Do this every day, stay consistent, and in a few months, you'll look like a completely different person. It's that simple. If you want more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, check out the link in the description for more tips. Catch you in the next one.